Hello student, let us discuss uses of alkali metals. In that first we have the lithium. Okay, here lithium is used for the making the alloys. Alloys means what? One metal is going to mix with the another metal, that is called what? Alloys. So here lithium with the lead, okay, going to form the alloy. It is using for the what? White metal bearings for motor engines. Simply for motor engines we need the bearings. For the making those things we are going to use the lithium with lead alloy. Next, lithium with the aluminium forms the alloy which is used for the aircraft. Aircraft means what? Which is going to fly in the air. Okay, so light part elements. Why? Because means aluminium is a very lightweight. Okay, you can see the aluminium foils. Okay, like aluminium utensils, some having the lightweight. So lithium with aluminium, they are going to form the alloys which is used for the what? Aircraft parts. And it's also used for the what? Thermonuclear reactions. Means nuclear reactions means already we discussed. For example, we have some X compounds going to form the reactions, use the neutron like chain tape. Already we discussed in case of what? Hydrogen compounds, isn't it? So in those reactions also we are going to use the lithium, and along with that we are going to use in the electrochemical cells. After that, next we have the sodium metal. Okay, here also sodium with the lead, okay, going to form the alloy that is called tel. Tel means what? Tetra. Here tetra ethyl lead is called what? Tel. It is used for the what? Anti-knock. Knock means what? You know very well, knock the door. Okay, knock means what? You are going to knock the door. Anti-knock means what? Going to stop. In the what? In vehicles they are using as a anti-knock for the petrol. Okay, mean to noise, to make the reduce that knock sound, you are using the word anti-knock as additives to the word petrol. Next, so sodium also used as a word coolant in the fast breeder nuclear reaction. Simply, what is a fast breeder? You know it. Just what here nuclear reactions also we are going to use the sodium metal, and is also used in the word for making of rubber. Next, if you see the potassium, it having the some biological importance. That what is the importance that we will discuss later in the biological importance of sodium and potassium ions. And so here if you go for the potassium chloride, it is used as a what? Fertilizer. Potassium chloride is used as a what? KCl. Okay, it is using as a what? Fertilizer. Next, potassium hydroxide is using in the what? Soft soap. Okay, and it is also used for the what? It is excellent absorber for CO2. Means here is going to absorb the CO2 and going to form the what? K2CO3. So if you go for the industry, what happen? If you don't want to go for the liberate the CO2 directly, so simply they will trap in the potassium hydroxide. So this potassium hydroxide will trap the CO2 and gives the potassium, convert into potassium carbonate. So it is an excellent absorber of what? Carbon dioxide. Next come to cesium. It is used in the what? Photoelectric cells. Nothing but already we discussed photoelectric effect. Okay. For that we have some cells that is called photoelectric cells. Why? Because means already we discussed it having the what? Low ionization potential. So easily can lose the electrons. So we are going to use the cesium in the photoelectric cells. So these are the uses of alkali metals.